Hey everybody, hey, it's Jason. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jason on location. Hey everybody, I'm in Santa Lucia Beach right now, South Hutchinson Island. How's everyone doing today? I'm gonna go look at the beach to see how the waves are doing. Here's some information about the Ace Indians. We're at Santa Lucia Park. Contains a prehistoric Native American village that was home to the Ace tribe. Ace inhabited the site for up to 2,000 years, ending in 1000 AD. Their social structure consists of loose collection of sub-tribes extending from Brevard County south to Jupiter Inlet, 120 miles away. The Indian River Lagoon got its name because of the Ace and their dominance of the waterway during the European contact. During the 1500s, Europeans started to arrive at Hutchinson Island. They found the island was populated by hundreds of Native Americans living in settlements bordering both the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian River. They were called the Ace Indians. The rich marine environment provided the Ace people a diet of fish, shellfish, sea animals, including whales and sea turtles. The land provided them with deer, bear, snakes, and other edibles and medicinal plants. Because of the lack of hard stone, tools and weapons were fashioned from bone, shell, and wood. Dugout canoes were made of wood and clay and carried groups and families along the Atlantic Ocean, shoreline, and St. Lucia and Indian rivers. Archaeologists have documented numerous prehistoric sites on Hutchinson Island. Many sites have been damaged by hurricanes and looters. Next door to this beach is Gilbert's House of Refuge. Underneath the refuge is a prehistoric settlement dating back as early as 800 BC. By the 1700s, disease and warfare and slave raids have decimated the Ace population. There are no known descendants of the first people of Hutchinson Island. As you can see, this is a small beach. It's more like a park and fish. This is a great place to walk and go to a smaller beach in the area. It's located in Stuart, Florida on South Hutchinson Island. It's on Southeast MacArthur Boulevard. If you're ever in the area, come on down to Santa Lucia Beach for some swimming, sunbathing, fishing, and picnicking, and wildlife viewing. And go next door to Gilbert's House of Refuge.